Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by clearing a small area and placing an idol or image of Lord Shiva. This focuses your mind. Light a lamp or diya and incense. The senses settle and devotion deepens. Say your intention aloud in one clear sentence so you know what you are asking and why. Once done, take 3 slow breaths and visualize a calm, vast space. This centers you and opens the practice for sincere prayer and simple offerings. You now move into invocation. Gently pour water or offer bell leaves and flowers and begin chanting a chosen mantra like Om Namah Shivaya or the Maha Mrityunjaya. Keep steady, even breathing. Repetition anchors intention and removes distraction. Use a mala to count if that helps, but make sure to feel each syllable rather than race through. As you chant, visualize Shiva's attributes: compassion, strength, detachment, so the prayer becomes an inner transformation. You finish by offering thanks. Fold your hands, bow, and gently extinguish the lamp. This seals the practice with humility and trust. Note any impressions in a journal and decide one practical next step you will take outside prayer to align with the request. If you feel distracted or get no clear sign, don't force it. Pause, reset with a few breaths, shorten the chant, and try again later. This steady, respectful repetition builds confidence and clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.